Good morning, all. Ira Epstein with your Morning Flash update for this Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025. We are right now about 8:15, 8:17 a.m. Central Time. Stock market continuing with this rally. Now, keep your eye on the upper Bollinger Bands in the Nasdaq and the S&P and the 18-day average of closes in the two weaker of the indices, which have been recently the Dow and the Russell. We'll see how that all goes. But the market coming back up. This is August. Will you get followed through is the big question. Energy market sitting sort of flat right now, not doing a lot one way or the other. Nat gas slipping back a little bit right here. In the grain markets, getting a little bit of a rally in the marketplace. We'll see if it has any legs to it. I'm looking at wheat as an area where it's into the resistance zone right now. The dollar flat. Up 2 points. You're down 13 points in the euro. Not much going on. Now, what is today? Tariff day. All the U.S. tariffs go into effect and went into effect at 12:01 a.m. Eastern time today. So they're in place. Now you're going to get the timeline on the secondary tariffs, like the ones that are going to hit Brazil. They have 21 days, had 21. Now we'll see where that comes in on them. I do see that President Trump and Putin have agreed they're going to have a meeting. They're picking a venue to do it now. There's supposed to be a meeting including Zelensky. We will see what that is. So that gives the market some ideas that maybe, just maybe, there's light at the end of this tunnel. And from what I'm hearing, what it's about now to Russia is holding on to the land that it has captured. Right? Remember, it is a failure. They were going to go through Ukraine. We all thought that could be 1, 2, 3. These Ukrainians are strong people. The jobless claims data came out up 7,000, so that's about 3,000 more. You got to keep your eye, though, on the continuing claims. They continue to go up. They're just under the 2 million level, 2.0 mil. Got to see what this does. Then we take a look at the non-farm productivity. It was up 2.4%. They only expected it up 2%, and they revised the first quarter down to 1.8. These are strong numbers. Labor cost up 1.6%, pretty much in line with what the market thought. Bank of England, they moved today. They cut the interest rate by 1/4 point. It was a double vote, the first in the history of the financial committee of the bank, all right? Never has happened. Split votes that barely got through. Bostic is going to speak, and I'm talking Atlanta Fed President Bostic at 9. We'll get natural gas storage numbers at 9:30. So there's a lot to digest as we're into the dog days of summer now, as we come and we're getting closer and closer to where those kids go back to school and things start changing on everybody. So keep that in the back of your mind. Watch what these markets do and don't do. They're going to be very exciting right here. I'm Ira Epstein. Remember, you can get any of our free offers by clicking up here, and I'll catch up with you all probably on an earlier edition this evening of the updates that I normally do for the night. And the reason is I've got to be out at an event in the evening, so I want to get everything done right after the markets close. Have yourself a great trading day.